سورہ البینہ کی چند آیات کی پریکٹس۔ اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ Lam, there is meme sakin, not prolonged lam, because meme sakin not followed by ba, and also not the shadda sign on it. So lam, only 1 second. Lam yaku nilla zina. Lam yaku nilla zina kafaru min. You can see noon sakin followed by alif hamza, so noon sakin will be only 1 second rule, is hard rule, clear sound. Min ahlil kitabi, not ahlil. Lam sakin will be not prolonged. Ahlil kitabi. Wal, again not wal, wal. Mushrikeen. Here you can see noon sakin followed by fa. So fa is not third letter, so there will be 2 second nasal sound. Ikhfa rule. Munfakeen. Kaf with tashdid, stress on it with fa. Fakeen. Munfakeen. لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين حتى ta with shadda sign and with vertical fatah khadi zabar hai yahan par, to 2 second elongation after stress on ta. Hatta. You can see alif with jazm with sukoon sign, so not prolonged ta, it will be wrong. Ta ti ya, not ta ti ya. Ta ti ya humul. Ta ti ya humul bayyinah. This ta called ta marbuta, when we will do waqf here, change with ha, 2 dots will be removed and dhamma sign will be changed with sukoon sign, jazm sign. Hatta ta'tiyahumul bayyinah. Ra, thick sound. Aur rasulum, mim mushaddad, 2 side gunna. Rasulum minallahi. Nallah, you can see noon with fatah sign followed by Allah name, so it will be thick sound, full mouth sound. Nallahi. Yatlu, this ta is not included in calcal letter, so no yat, no yat. Yat, strong sound. Yatlu. Suhufam, mim shaddad 2 side gunna. Suhufam mutahhara. Tahhara, tah, thick sound. Ha with tashdid. First we will hit the ha with ta and then ha with fatah. Suhufam mutahhara. Hatta ta'tiyahumul bayyinah. Rasulun minallahi yatlu suhufan mutahharah.